Symmetry is all around us, from giant spiral galaxies to tiny shells on the beach.
I'm really passionate about the mathematics of symmetry. Mathematically, we measure the symmetry by groups, and I use very deep theory and a lot of sophisticated computation to help me in describing structures.
Professor Cheryl Praeger pursued her passion for maths at Oxford University, where she received a scholarship to do a doctorate. It was there that she was introduced to the mathematics of symmetry, which has captivated her ever since.
A few years after I finished my doctorate, there was a massive theorem completed, the classification of the building blocks of all finite groups. This had been going on for about 50 or 60 years, and I was interested in understanding what the consequences would be to working out how to describe symmetrical structures. What would be the consequences for permutation groups, for structures? And this took a long time. It was not at all clear, and it was very exciting and also quite controversial in the time.
Now an internationally renowned mathematician, Professor Praeger's 4 decades of research has had widespread impact. From digital communication systems to internet search engines, her algorithms are used worldwide.
These networks are the sort of mathematical structures that underpin the way we store data, the way we communicate, and finding beautiful symmetrical examples is of great interest.
The recipient of the Prime Minister's Prize for Science in 2019, Professor Praeger is a trailblazer for women in STEM and a role model to many. In recognition of her incredible achievements, she is receiving one of the Australian Academy of Science's highest honours, the inaugural Ruby Payne-Scott Medal and Lecture.
I love a challenge, and science is a particularly important way of understanding the world. Science helps us really understand structure in the world, and mathematics underpins all of science.